Okay, okay guys, so for this video, I will be I'm going to demo this building right here. So there were people who were having a hard time with this building. Okay, so first is, let's try to capture the whole building. Proceed to matching, wall, and let's try to fix the top layer first, okay? So capture the ridge. And let's check for other views. So one more. Guys, again, don't just stick with one view, okay? So make sure you adjust or check other views when capturing, especially when capturing the ridge. Okay, so I think this will do. Capture the panels. So again, when capturing, you can capture it by in 3D mode. So I prefer capturing in 3D mode because I can easily snap to the corners. Next is this part right here. Okay. Okay, so I think this will do. One. So we can use AutoFix for this one later since again broken panels, broken lines, it means that the panel is inserted or inside of the building. So we cannot allow or we cannot submit a building that has red panels like so. So let's check for other views. Hmm, let's try this one. Okay, so and then for this one, guys, make sure you that when you put your assist line, it is connected to this panel right here. So make sure it highlights, as you can see, and like so. And let's try to use AutoFix. Group and then press F4. Okay, so see, it's very easy, guys. As long that we connect to this panel right here, it will automatically also merge. Okay, with this panel right here. So if you click, it will be one panel. So let's check for other views and let's capture this back building right here. Also, when capturing, let's flip. So for this one, since we are not sure, okay, if the roof, I mean, it is too ambiguous to tell if the building or if uh, the roof the roof material itself is similar or different with the main building. So by default, we should capture this as a building. Okay. If it is ambiguous again, guys, we need to capture it as a default building. So let's try this one. So I think we are matched. So assist line right here up to here. Okay. And then let's capture it like so. this should be okay. So next, let's flip the view. And lastly, let's capture this part right here. So this one, and let's try to use this one. So top view, let's avoid top view. Okay, so this is much better. So H, one, two, double click. So same with your multi-layered buildings. Okay, so I think we captured it properly. 9, assist line, adjust. So I think this should be good enough. Capture the panels. For this one, we can just capture it like so, and then we can insert the panel. Okay, let's just use AutoFix for that one later. And let's try to group F4. Okay, so it should look like this. So lastly, all we need to do is to just add the corners. Okay, so again, guys, it should look like this. Okay, this is not an eve. Also, this is an eve. Okay, so because we have like a structure below, this one is open. Same with this one, this is open, so this is not an eve. But this one, we have a structure below. As you can see, it's right here. So this can be considered as an eve.